Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Racist Man Gets Instant Karma by Midwest Safety.
Officers from the Lansing Police Department were called to reports of a man attacking people and using racial slurs at the bus stop of the Meyer grocery store.
At the bus stop?
Unknown to the officer at the time, in just moments, the officer would be fighting over his gun.
Dang.
I was trying to get a word for you.
You want to get tased?
Yeah,
Nope.
Put your best cam on.
Sit down.
He's hit me 4 times.
Sit down.
Roger that. I'm compliant.
On the curb. Sit down.
I'm militant.
Okay, sit down on the curb now.
If you militant, why you starting shit at the bus stop of all places, bro?
He fired on me 4 times.
You on bond or probation?
Both.
I'm neither. Bond.
Okay.
He said neither, but he's made an answer.
You're supposed to be having behavior like this, right?
No,
Not
I'm
at
not,
all.
but still. How can I not go to Myers and get my milk without being fired on?
Without being wet?
Y'all be letting them off their drink all god day, Turbo.
He be letting these drink too.
You know?
Yeah, because I have time to sit here and monitor people drinking when there's people.
You, bro. I'm not listening to you. Okay?
Okay. So what do you want? You just want to go your separate ways?
Go home.
You just want to go home? That's all you want?
Yep.
You doing all right?
Yeah, I'm all right. He come over and assaulted me, and I ain't do anything. I'm sitting right here. He drunk. I told him, just get away from me. I don't have to get away from you. He called me a
Oh.
you a here and all that old type of shit. I said, dude, get away from me. Then he want to mess with my wife over there. Okay. And I told him, I said, man, get away from me. I keep tell him.
I'm compliant.
Yeah, you can't be messing with a man wife at the goddamn bus stop. If they married at the bus stop, they been through through thick and thin, literally.
Fully compliant.
I know.
I'm militant.
I know. If you can hand me your ID, I'd appreciate that.
Yep. It's right here in my wallet, bud. But I'm not gonna allow these to be punching me 4
We don't need to use that type of language, man.
But dude, they be calling me
All right.
cracker and all this stupid shit.
Here's the thing. I see you have a knife in your
But did they call you saltine cracker though?
pocket. I'm gonna pat you down. Don't touch
Here.
it. Don't touch it.
Have it.
You got
Have
any
it.
other weapons on you?
No, it's
Okay,
not a
I'm
weapon.
gonna
That's
pat-
a tool.
It's
dog.
a knife. It's a
That's
weapon.
a tool, dog.
You got any other weapons on you?
That's a tool, dog.
I'm gonna start saying at the cops, my knife is a tool.
According to the law, it's a weapon, so I'm gonna hang on to it till the
I
end.
know about the law. I know I'm doing court tomorrow morning, Treverno. Okay?
What's his name?
No, dude, don't get bossy and authoritative with me, because I will get your superior, get
Go
your
ahead.
ass fired.
Go
What?
ahead.
What?
You yell in my face? Sit down now.
You want to scream at me?
Sit down
You
now.
want to get militant? You spitting on me. I just swallowed spittle. I
Sit
saw
down.
it. Or what? You gonna hit me?
Sit down.
Or you gonna hit me?
I
You
love
wanna
peanut
take a
butter,
fighting
y'all.
stance with me, you'll get tased. Real quick.
Don't.
And sit down.
You don't scream at me, man. I'm militant.
I don't
If
care.
you don't know how to deal with me, then back the f off.
Don't put your finger in my face.
That's not how that works, stupid.
You, it ain't in your face. You're the one that's always threatening to tase me.
Okay.
We got it on camera, dog. Don't touch me.
Uh-oh.
He's saying how you try to swing on me.
Yeah, you touch me.
Did you want to press charges?
Oh, shit.
Hey, bud, he's trying to beat me up again. Hey. I'm not Stevens. Hey, get me away from him.
Slow down.
Get me away from him. He's threatening me.
Oh, you took a fighting stance?
I did not take a fighting stance. You gonna hit me?
Sit down.
Are you gonna hit me?
Stop. Hey,
I did not. No.
Hold on, guys. I gotta pause it right quick. Be back. All right, we're back like herpes.
put your hands behind your back.
No, or what?
You're gonna get thrown to the ground.
For real?
Yes.
Or why?
Because I'm detaining
For what?
you because you took a
For
fighting
what?
stance with me.
I did not take a fighting
It's
stance
on my
with you.
body camera. Okay.
Okay, I hope it is.
You want a bond violation?
Yep. Don't keep pushing on me, dog.
Okay.
Don't keep doing that. You hurt me.
Get your hands behind your back.
I am. You believe me?
Why would he do that?
Come on. Give me your other hand. Give me your hand.
Look, dude. Look what you did.
He's militant.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
You hit me too hard. You hit me too hard, bro.
Is he gonna break out of it? I think his pride more hurting than anything.
You didn't do that, buddy.
Well, you kept resisting.
I did not. I didn't resist. I didn't punch it. You
Go of my.
quit touching me.
Stay still.
These just roughed me up.
Stay
No, I
still.
can't.
Yes, you can.
I can't. They cut me up, dude.
Just stay still. Just stay in that position, okay?
I can't, buddy.
Yes, you can. I understand it hurts, but it's gonna help you with breathing, okay? Hey,
It's gonna help you with breathing. Is diabolical.
Leave me out, you
Hey.
You speak somebody for time.
While officers have the suspect cuffed and in custody, the worst is still to come.
The worst is still to come. How?
No, I ain't gonna stop, dude. You know what you're doing down here. Every goddamn you don't do shit about it. I'm glad I'm doing the court tomorrow.
Damn, he beat the shit out of him.
I need both of you. I need the report.
Hey, there'll be a report.
Okay, I need the report number. I'm going to court tomorrow.
We don't have it yet.
Well, you're gonna have it, and you're both gonna be hit.
What do you say, man? Everything we did is on body camera.
Yeah,
Everything you did is on body camera.
yeah. I ain't done shit, dog.
Yeah.
I am. You a piece of shit, dog.
He fucked around and found
I've
out.
done what? What have I done? Stevens, help me out. I did
not gonna
not
help you out.
resist arrest.
I'm not gonna help you up.
You didn't tell me I was on arrest. You didn't read my Miranda rights. Dude, don't make me bite you in your balls. Stevens, you're good. He's
Pause. Wait a minute. You can't be saying that or willy-nilly now.
the authority. He's the enemy. I'm gonna kill him.
Come on.
I'm gonna kill him now. I'm gonna kill that cop. Help me up. I'm gonna kill that cop. Help me up.
Stay right here.
Look what he did to me. Look what he did to me. Get your body camming on this. Get your body camming on this. You told me what is it? You ain't even got your lenses open. You're a lying mother.
There's no lens.
You're a lying mother.
There's no lens camera.
Dude, like I don't
You gotta be a stupid motherfucker to get kicked off and trespass from a bus stop.
know how to read them. Motherfucker. Just like you. Give me my wallet. And still got me cut. Dude, it's a major lawsuit, you know. He thinks it's funny.
Who does?
That punk recording me. And her throwing the beer away. The one that she fired on me 3 times.
Oh,
Stop.
Just stay.
No, she did.
I'm gonna grab gloves, Steve. I don't have any.
I'm going to jail. It don't matter.
Nope, that's
I'll
not
shut
true.
up. I'm not gonna shut up. I'm gonna shut up, dude.
you should have been just out.
What's your name?
I got his ID.
It's Daniel.
I see you're bleeding pretty good from up here.
Okay.
So I'm gonna place this here. We're gonna place this, and then we're gonna wrap gauze around that wound.
I want to go back in for the next 3 rounds, dog.
Hey, well, you're not, man.
You're not. We're taking
Why?
you to the hospital.
Can I just have the cuffs put in front of me? I'll be compliant.
You have what? The cuffs in front of you? Yeah. Unfortunately, due to
I'll be compliant. Or I can slip them up.
I understand that, but our own policy states that we cannot have cuffs in front.
I know, but I'm gonna slip them up. In the
Daniel.
house. Yes, sir.
Stay still. Stay still.
Stop moving around. We're trying to bandage you up and take care of you, man.
How much have you had to drink today, man?
Not enough.
I like that answer. I like that answer. I'm sorry. I know he an asshole and he racist, but that was a funny answer.
Not enough. About 3.
About three
Three
more.
tall boys?
Yeah.
Tall boys?
Assault on a PO.
You're dead.
Hey,
What, dude?
no, that's not used. We're gonna stop his head from moving around and looking all over the place.
Put a neck brace on. That'll stop it. You ever had a neck brace on? That shit do not feel good.
We're gonna have an officer with you on the way
I'm
there.
just trying to listen
Hey, man.
to you.
Daniel,
Sit up.
You sit up.
Sit up for us, partner.
Yeah.
Check any spot.
He beat him into soreness.
I know. I've got him.
Okay, well, we'll help you stand, man, but you gotta stop moving around, okay?
I'm trying to do my best to comply.
2, 3, up.
I'll take a seat right here, man.
Turbo's cool, and
Stevens.
Stevens.
Cool. All right, let's turn around. Turn around.
tell me what to do, Stevens.
Daniel.
he's Stevens.
You guys want to talk
I don't want to go to the hospital.
We're gonna need his arms out anyway.
Yeah. So Daniel, okay, here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna sit on the cot.
All right,
Okay?
Turbo.
I'm gonna take those cuffs off, but we're gonna cuff you to the
real?
bed.
Okay,
Why would he
that's
take
good.
those cuffs off?
All right, you're not gonna fight with us anymore, right?
Shit, it's about to get really bad.
No,
Don't do that.
I'm compliant, Sarge.
For privacy reasons, Michigan law requires the video to be blurred in medical treatment settings.
I gotta get out of here, bro.
Daniel, listen to me. Daniel. Hey, I appreciate your service, all right? So what we got going on, I'm going to explain it to you, okay? We have Officer Stevens in back with us.
Okay.
The one that you said you were cool with.
Yeah.
My name is Jordan, okay?
Don't keep gripping me, though, dude.
All right, well,
So bad.
okay, well then stop fleeing.
No, leave it there. Leave it. Daniel.
Daniel, I bandaged it. I know what's going on. I know what's going on. I bandaged that up.
Yes, Daniel. You need to listen to them, and you need to stop messing with the bandages.
Okay? Leave all this stuff on. We're going. Hey, Robert, we're not going to get
What the hell is his problem, bro?
All right.
All right, man. That was kind of messed up, one, huh?
Well, he started acting up, and then we took him to
Yeah,
the
I
ground.
know it. You was talking to me. I was talking to you. I told him I didn't want to play the child. I said I just want him just kind of away from me.
Yeah.
Because he came at me all drunk and, you know, hilarious and stuff. And I just said, okay, you're going down the road. That's it.
Dude, I'm gonna kick you in the face.
You see what he did to your partner. He hit your partner. So that's
He just kept calling us.
Yeah, and I clearly heard that. I mean, that's right there. That's
See, I couldn't have been around there because I would have been like, bro, why you being a saltine cracker? Like, come on, bro.
Did that, and then he started swinging. So
yeah, he's swinging and stuff.
Swing at me.
Don't catch on me. Don't wrench on me. Hey, where's the cameras, motherfuckers, now? Turn it on. It ain't on. It is not, liar.
Why is he arguing with him?
You're lying.
You ain't got the whole. He was inside there.
okay.
Started stuff with the other dude.
Okay.
Then the dude came out. Then he hit the dude. Then he come out here and want to start with me. And I said, man, look, get a word from me, man. It was a black guy.
Okay.
Then he hit the black guy, and the black guy said, oh, man, you hit me.
Are they gonna hold him?
Yeah. Ain't nothing gonna hold me, dude.
What the fuck? What you mean nothing ain't gonna hold you?
He ain't gonna control my legs. Oh, he's looking fuck. Look at him. Ah! Why you gotta do that?
Why you being a dumbass?
Stop! Hey, quit spitting in my face!
Oh yeah, I wouldn't have been too many of them if I was the officer.
Quit spitting in my face! Kick me! I'm a combat vet! For you, I don't care! I ain't a... Ah!
Oh, you gonna spit on the cop?
Stop! I hope you got that on video.
Oh, I sure did.
I hope you do. Cause you're a punk. Look at that.
Don't try to grab my gun.
Oh.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Get us in now.
That's the guy right there.
Oh yeah, I would have pressure point his most hurtful spot. Baby, you would have been doing a lot more hollering than that.
He knows me. I don't know. Come over here, man. Because he want to get his incident report. He want to get his incident report.
I ain't no incident report. I don't know nothing about nothing. I ain't sure.
Yeah.
But I know
Ha! Look at him.
the guy that he was just drinking, man. That's all.
Yeah.
It's just a bunch of drinking.
That's all.
That's all. It ain't nothing, man. Rolled down, drunk, crazy, white this time.
Tell Buddy Drew.
You've been bleeding the whole time. Bleeding for 20 minutes.
Oh, we gonna do that some more, huh?
I didn't
So
even fight with him. We didn't even fight with him. He kept on putting his hands up like they want to
so
fight.
like that fight
They try to get with me.
that's that crackhead stance.
And all them
Or that meth.
was trying to get in between him. And I said, dude, don't get away from me. Stay away from me. He putting his finger up, trying to get past them to get to me.
Okay.
But I ain't do no fighting with him.
Okay.
You punched me in the face.
You tried to grab my gun.
Ah, God right, I wonder why.
He said he pushed him in the face.
Your chest. You got right.
And just to confirm, neither of you want to press charges.
No, I really actually don't want to go through that. He can just, whatever happens to him, let it happen to him real good.
Come here, let me spit in your face.
He said let it happen to him real good. Spoken like a true OG.
Yeah.
Don't you do it.
You got my wing out of socket, dude.
Well, don't try to grab my gun.
You gonna try to grab it
Hope you have a good
again?
rest of your day.
Yeah,
What? This guy got a death wish.
sir.
Well,
Thank
fist
you.
bump there.
All right, man.
Hopefully it's a lot better than this.
Yeah, better than this, bro.
Punch me in the head 3 times.
This is twice.
Twice.
The officer's a dick. He said twice.
Oh, you got cameras rolling there.
I sure did. It caught you trying to grab my gun.
Because you're trying to hurt me, dude.
I'm trying to control you.
No, you're not. You're trying to kill me. I'm a veteran, dude.
A veteran acting like that?
That's not very nice language, sir.
Hold on, and you gonna say you're a veteran? I thought veteran wasn't racist. Well, you never mind. They probably do got racist veterans.
Thank you.
According to court records, the suspect identified in the video as Daniel was arrested and later charged with attempted disarming a peace officer of a firearm and resisting an officer. Court
What an idiot.
records indicate that he bonded out, but then failed to appear in court. His release was revoked and a bench warrant was issued. Later, Daniel appeared in court and was held in contempt.
He's a veteran.
Ultimately, he pled no contest to the first count in exchange for dropping the second. He was fined $200, ordered to attend grief counseling, and sentenced to time served, which amounted to 221 days in jail.
Hit me some more. Hit me some more. Hey, turn me over to spare security, please.
Right here.
Sparrow Security.
Now, if I told you I've never...
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all our supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell. So I got peanut butter on me, so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. God dang it! And also don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.